This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp iChannel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 4, St. Eloy Lupopo, 5 CAF Champions League penalty shootout. My brother, how's it?
Good job, Zango.
Long
time no see.
Long time, eh?
Angazi abungiza kule game ye Pirates nesiwelele kwi Black Label Cup.
Ngithi mina ngiyikhosi. Eish. Bengidlala i-Black Label Cup. Yes, nesiwelele.
Ngongezanga.
Angithi bedlala nini?
Kwi Black Label Cup the time umbokaza shayistana la.
Oh, no, bengeke kwenye ubuciko bengoma.
Kubulana. Kubuzelana wazobona into serious.
Ngama last minute.
Anyways, ngicela lento timela. This Stania. I will beat you next year.
Yeah.
Oh,
Next year.
Aye. Yeah.
Come on, your take on the game. I can see you have got pointers there. Number 1.
No striker. No striker.
Yeah, that's.
I saw him in ebenchi.
Hey, bench lethu. Yazi mina bengicabanga Mr. Ngobo mangibona no striker.
Yeah.
I thought ukuthi coach wethu is intelligent. Mina ngangicambela manga. I thought ukuthi is intelligent because he saw ukuthi lesangale ngathi zibhoma fast lesangale. So siyibonile lento leyo ngokubona kwami bakafuna ukusigijimisa sikhathala. Masikhathala afaka istrike. And then but for mina again kule ndaba yestrike njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngiyambongela lapho udlalile because when sibonile lapha na maseyithi boma 85 minutes ayibe sengasana abantu
strong
ayibe sesibhomile lesangale ayibe sesibhomile.
I think ungafakwa ke striker kade efuna ukupenetrate la machida because la machida he knew ukuthi bazofika ngelo block and then bahlala emuva bafuna ushanga ama count so ukuthi afaka abombule abo police nobanibani he wanted to penetrate so that bakwazi ukuvula
izwa ke
maybe second half he should have at least ngabo 80 minutes 70 minutes afaka mabasa
izwa ke Mr. Ngobo. Now you have Umbatha.
Exactly. Yeah.
Mina I would have stayed in starting 11 lesinjalo but ngikhiphe uNemdajela ngifaka Umbatha. Why? Because you can't have uNemdajela and umbule no Tito Nyambona umbule no Nemdajela both are ball players. La machite mawafika ku D-line acabanga ngeassist. Mina I want the player elifana noMbatha makafika ku D-line acabanga ukuthi into I penalty spot. Ngifuna iplayer njalo. Now you have another player ozokunika and have another player makabona ibhola makabamba ibhola ku D-line target. That's it. We needed Umbatha. And bafethu I want to say futhi kumjida umbuthuma ntwana sakuthanda. I will love you so much. We love you so much. Wholeheartedly sakuthanda mfethu. It happened Mr. Ngobo makufika ulo uJose Riviero season yakhe yokuqala we were number 6 right before Sliwa joining we were number 6 qualify for a CAF right the following season saqeda number 2 we qualified for a CAF sakhishwa joining Galaxy right same situation kuma penalty another time same thing actually almost the same thing right why ngithi almost the same thing because umfuking bakaqeda ukufika right and then lokho kumenza ukumwisa umoya but if you come to the fans and fans tell you ukuthi intwana sakuthanda it uplifts your spirit because the following time uzodlala and emodlala kamnandi kula sikushayela futhi nakhona izandla nawe iconfidence yakhuphuka.
It happened with Miremi sorry ukukhatha it happened with Miremi nimbuwa lapha Lucas Morini
exactly
against Sundowns wafika uphe Mbombela wenzani
sharp now sithini ke again ngikhulumile ngomfuking Mbuthuma same situation ukuthi naye his new uyamist umfana mina ngizwe amajita phambi kwami angabhuwanga hawambuwanga Mbuthuma
perfect
awambuwanga Mbuthuma phambi kwami amajita ba like baba keep igqoko bashaya izandla it just goes to show ukuthi when you come to Orlando Pirates you don't come to work you don't come to just chill nje kuphela and enjoy the fame siyakuthanda this is family and lento sibone lapha yana kumabhakaniya sicela ukunishayela izandla bafethu siyabonga lento le team spirit sibone la siyabonga bafethu and again umbule he showed ukuba bafana ukuthi he's a proper number 10 he's a proper number 10
big time
yizo mina ngithili kule 3 layer mbule la kuNemdajela ngithi Mbatha then ngithi Nduli done
ngiyaphusha
siyaphusha saphambili lapha Mbuthuma ngamfaka futhi uMbuthuma again just because of the stellar performance ayifakile. It's just unfortunate ukuthi penalty
exactly
is anyone's game.
Don't you think it's a learning curve the game there going forward?
It is a learning curve. It is a learning curve. Phela ngasho Mr. Ngoba, I don't know if you remember, I once said ukuthi this team is much more prepared to play curve. And sibone namhlanje.
Exactly,
There's no other team that has the ability to come back from a 3-0 defeat.
Exactly at home, yeah.
Mr. Ngoba ushilo coach wethu Zola wathi if we can win 7-1, why can't we score 3?
Exactly.
If we can beat Marumo Gallants 8-1, why can't we beat Lupopo
3?
Why can't we? But it's fine. Thank you so much. My brother, we will come for you. Next season, we will come for you.
We will beat you. Yeah.
We will come for you. Are you ready?
Come along with Mamelodi Sundowns.